My name is Spencer Dinwiddie. I'm point guard for the Brooklyn Nets. The biggest moment for me early last season was the 7-game win streak.
This stretch has been so crucial to this Brooklyn Nets season.
I was playing at a pretty high level during that win streak and helped the team win games. The first time I hurt my hand that year was the first game of the season against Detroit. It wasn't like a pop or a lot of pain, it just stung. But that's just kind of how it all started.
I'm Riley J. Williams. I am the medical director and head team physician for the Brooklyn Nets and the New York Red Bulls. Spencer had a tear of what is called the radial collateral ligament of the thumb. It's a very common injury in basketball. Once the decision had been made to sort of pursue a surgical correction, being hospital for special surgery, there really, in my mind, shouldn't be any doubt about how this is going to go, just because of the high quality of the care that we give.
When discussing the best surgeons on the planet, a lot of them reside at HSS. It's right next door, so that's a no-brainer.
Part of the surgery that we do is we add in a special internal brace. This helped us to get these players back even a couple of weeks earlier than we used to get them back to playing.
I just wanted to be the quickest person to ever come back from the type of surgery I had, so I circled a date and was like, yeah, like if everybody came back in 6 weeks, we're gonna beat that.
Spencer Dinwiddie returning to the lineup after missing 14 games.
When Spencer went back and played at about 4.5 weeks, Dr. Williams said to me, wow, that was amazing, because he was really thinking that it was going to take a lot longer to get him back to play.
HSS staff is second to none. They keep you informed, they let you know every single thing. So they pretty much walked me through it well before the surgery, so I had a great idea of what it was going to be going in.
HSS makes a difference from the beginning to the end. It's not just about the surgeons, it's about the therapy, it's about the radiology, it's about the operating room and all the surgical staff in the operating room. And that all comes together.
But every now and again he'll kind of, show it and give me the thumbs up. But the biggest validation I have is just watching him.
Seeing him play this year is awesome. I'm proud of every great shot he makes and everything.
My hand's doing good. I'm extremely happy. I chose HSS. Thank you, Dr. Carlson. Without her doing such a phenomenal job, there's no way I come back that quickly and there's no way I'm still doing well to date.